Hi friends, today let us discuss about vacuum assisted wound closure. So what is this? Vacuum assisted closure is a treatment that applies gentle suction to a wound to help it heal. It is also called VAC or negative pressure wound therapy. How does vacuum assisted closure work? Negative pressure wound therapy involves a special dressing connected to a pump that gently draws fluid and infection from the wound. What is the procedure? First, clean the wound and thoroughly dry the skin around it. Place a foam or gauze dressing directly on the wound. Cover this dressing with a clear film that seals the skin around the wound. Insert a tube into a small opening in the clear film and connect the other end to a vacuum pump. When the pump is turned on, it creates a very gentle suction that removes excess fluid from the wound. How does vacuum assisted closure help? Wound vac therapy promotes healing because it removes excess fluid. So the edema buildup of extra fluid is common after surgery. It can cause swelling, increase the risk of infection and delay healing. Excess fluid can put pressure on the wound and the stitches or staples that hold it closed. Negative pressure wound therapy slowly draws fluid off the wound, relieving pressure and reducing swelling, and also reduces bacteria. Infection is not only dangerous, but it can also keep the wound from healing. The body must focus on the clearing the bacteria away from the wound and can't move on the next stage of the wound repair. Here, wound vac therapy helps the body by removing some of the bacteria. This lowers your risk of wound infection and allows healing to move forward. And also, it improves blood flow. Good perfusion or blood flow is needed to bring repair cells to the wound. Take bacteria and dead cells away and deliver oxygen to that area. Removing extra fluid allows for good perfusion, and the negative pressure of wound vac therapy has been shown to increase the speed at which fluids move through the blood vessels in the area and encourages the growth of repair tissue. To heal the wound, the body creates a new tissue that binds the edges of the wound together and fills any gaps, pulls the wound edges together. Wound vac treatment shrinks the size of the wound and draws the edge of the wound together, making it easier for the body to repair the gap and stabilizes the wound. Negative pressure wound therapy keeps the wound still like a cast keeps a broken bone from moving. This helps the wound heal and prevents re-injury to the area. One is vacuum assisted closure used. Wound vac treatment is ideal for difficulty to heal wounds such as diabetic ulcers, severe burns, crush injuries, bed sores. Vacuum assisted closure is not used in wounds that are actively bleeding, cancerous, have a lot of necrotic tissue, and contain exposed to arteries, nerves, or organs. So, this is about wound vac therapy. Thank you for listening.